Hey, my name is Janet. I am a digital presenter for the PartsFPS. Today, I am going to talk about thermostat for Blodgett part number 11527. The Blodgett 11527 thermostat is a temperature control device used to regulate the temperature of ovens, fryers, and other commercial cooking equipment. It is designed to maintain a consistent temperature in the cooking chamber, ensuring that food is cooked evenly and safely. The thermostat features a temperature range of 150 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 65 degrees Celsius to 260 degrees Celsius, and can be adjusted with a simple dial. It also has an adjustable differential setting that allows for fine-tuning of the temperature control. The thermostat is constructed from durable stainless steel and this part fixes the following symptoms. This part is a replacement thermostat for a Blodgett oven. It is designed to fix issues with the oven not reaching the desired temperature or not maintaining the desired temperature. Here is how you install this part. 1. Shut off the power to the oven. 2. Remove the existing thermostat from the oven by unscrewing it from the back panel. 3. Install the new thermostat by screwing it into place on the back panel of the oven. 4. Connect the wires to the terminals on the new thermostat, making sure to match up each wire with its corresponding terminal. 5. Turn on the power to the oven and test that it is working properly by setting a temperature and observing that it reaches that temperature within a reasonable amount of time. You can buy this part from www.partsfps.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsfps.com.
Visit www.partsfps.com to order commercial kitchen equipment parts.